Hello, in this video I want to show you how to empty and clean your iRobot Roomba. And to do this we'll need to put our robot on the other side, and here's all the components that we need to clean. And to remove them, first let's click on these two yellow joints. It should release this lever and now we can access all the rotating brushes. So take them by the yellow wheel and simply remove them like this. Now we can clean both of the brushes. Next thing to do is to remove the dust container, and to do this simply look on the other side, and right here you can find a button. Click on it and pull it forward to remove the dust container. And now simply perform a simple clean in this part right here and remove the dust from the bin like this. Open the slot right here. Now we can remove this blue filter, and inside there should be all the dust. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.